Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Excel.
How to format numbers as currency in Microsoft Excel. There comes a time in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet that we need to display numbers as financial values, which means that we must format those numbers as currency. For this to be done, we either apply the currency or the accounting number format to the cells that needed to be formatted. Stay tuned to learn how to format numbers as currency in Microsoft Excel. I have entered some numbers in the spreadsheet which need to be formatted as currency. We must select the area of the cells which need to be formatted, and then from the Home tab of the ribbon we locate the area named Number. Here we are notified that we can format as dollars, euros or other currency. If we select the currency command located at the middle left area of the number area, the drop-down menu will appear where we can select one of the following: Greek, English United States, English United Kingdom, Euro, Chinese, French, Switzerland, and more accounting formats. If we select one of the predefined currency formats, it will be applied to the selected area of cells. If we select more accounting formats, or if we select the arrow located at the bottom right corner of the number area of the ribbon, we are notified with the following: Don't see what you are looking for? Check out the full set of number formatting options. If we select the number format command, the Format Cells dialog box will appear. The tab that is activated is Number, and the category activated is the currency one. At the left of the dialog box we have the following: Sample. We can see a sample of what the number will look like once formatted. Decimal places. We can adjust how many decimals the number will have. Symbol. If we select the drop-down menu, we will see all the different currency formats available to use. Negative. We can define how we want the negative numbers to look like. At the bottom of the Format Cells dialog box and with the category Currency activated, we are notified with the following: Currency formats are used for general monetary values. Use accounting formats to align decimal points in a column. Whatever adjustments we make, we must press the OK button located at the bottom right corner of the Format Cells dialog box. Another way to format a number as a currency is, while the Format Cells dialog box is activated and the Number tab is activated, we select the category Accounting from the left. Once again we have a sample, we can adjust the decimal places, and we can select the symbol needed. The options are not so many as the currency category, but the result is quite the same. At the bottom of the Format Cells dialog box and with the category Accounting activated, we are notified with the following: Accounting formats line the currency symbols and decimal points in a column. I have formatted one area of cells with a euro sign and the other area of cells with a dollar sign.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.